Hey there. Is your Anker power bank not charging, leaving you in a lurch when you need portable power the most? Fear not. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix your Anker power bank that is not charging. Batteries can be temperamental, and it might seem like there's no hope, but with some troubleshooting, you might just get your power bank back up and running. Step 1. Inspect physical connections. First things first, let's start with basics. Check all the physical connections involved. Ensure that your charging cable is properly connected to both the power bank and the charging source. Examine the cable for any visible damage, such as fraying or bent connectors. Sometimes a faulty cable is the culprit behind charging woes. Also, inspect the power bank's charging port for any debris or dust. A can of compressed air can help clean it out. Try using an alternative cable and charging outlet to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Reset the power bank. If the physical inspection doesn't turn up any issues, the next step is to try resetting the power bank. Many Anker models have a reset option which can rectify a charging failure. Start by disconnecting any cables and holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. This action may clear up any software glitches that could be causing charging issues. After resetting, try charging the device again to see if the issue persists. Step 3. Check battery level indicators. Sometimes your power bank may appear dead, but it might just be in a deep discharge state where the battery level is critically low. Before assuming the worst, connect the power bank to a charger and let it sit for a while undisturbed. Most Anker power banks feature LED indicators that show how much charge is left. Monitor these lights for any change. They might take more time to light up if the battery is significantly drained. Step 4. Observe ambient conditions. Power banks, like many electronic devices, function best within certain temperature ranges. Extremely high or low temperatures can affect charging efficiency or even cause temporary failures. Ensure your power bank is being charged at room temperature, not too hot, not too cold. If your power bank has been exposed to extreme temperatures, allow it some time to acclimate before attempting to charge it again. Step 5. Consider firmware updates. It's not as common, but some Anker power banks may have firmware that can be updated. An outdated or buggy firmware could impair charging functionality. Visit the Anker website or consult the user manual to see if your model supports firmware updates. If available, follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure your device is up to date with the latest improvements. Step 6. Contact Anker support. If these steps don't solve the problem, it might be time to reach out for professional help. Anker's support team for assistance. Their knowledgeable staff can offer additional troubleshooting steps or even arrange for a repair or replacement if your power bank is still under warranty. Having your proof of purchase handy will expedite the process. Discovering that your Anker power bank isn't charging can be frustrating, but there are multiple strategies you can employ to address the problem. From checking cables and resetting the device to considering environmental factors, you're now equipped with knowledge on how to fix your Anker power bank that is not charging. With these steps, you can ensure your power bank is always ready to keep your devices running on the go. Remember to handle your power bank with care. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the best performance. Happy charging.